Come to the homework first of all. Question I gave you in the previous class. Answer for the question. Draw triangle ABC of the given measure. Draw triangle BCQ with angle BCQ is equal to 60 degree. Look at the answer. See, this shaded triangle is our required triangle. Okay. First of all, I have drawn triangle ABC with given measurement. That is 7, 5 and 60 degree. Now, I want to take BC as the base. So, take BC as the base and draw a line parallel to BC through A. So, parallel to BC, I have drawn a line through A. Now, our angle BCQ is equal to 60 degree. So, keep your protractor at C, measure 60 degree. Draw a line. That line meets this parallel line at Q. Now, join Q to B. Now, we got triangle BCQ of the same area. I have shaded this triangle for you to have a clear idea. Come to the next question. Same figure I have drawn first of all. Question, angle ACR is equal to 30 degree. So what is our base? AC is our base. So with AC as base, draw a line parallel to it through B. So I have drawn a line parallel to B. After that, what you have to do? Measure angle 30 degree at angle C. So at C, I have measured 30 degree and I have drawn the line. It meets the parallel line at R. Join R to A. This shaded triangle is your answer. Hope it is clear to you. We will go to the next question. Question, how many different non-congruent triangles can you draw with two sides 8 cm, 6 cm and area 12 square centimeter? Okay, is the question clear? Two sides are 8 and 6. Area should be equal to 12 square centimeter. You are going to draw non-congruent triangles. What do you mean by non-congruent triangles? Not equal triangles. Okay. So now let us substitute it in the formula. Area of triangle is half BH. That is half into, take base as 8. So I wrote half into 8 into h is equal to 12. Now you can cancel 1, 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. So you got 4h is equal to 12. That means h is equal to 12 by 4 equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so we have to draw a triangle with sides 8 and 6. We got the height to be equal to 3 centimeter. See how I am going to draw the figure. See children, first of all I have drawn a line for 8 centimeter. Let me name it as AB. Now what is our height? 3 centimeter. So I have drawn a parallel line at a height of 3 centimeter. Is it clear? AB is the base, 3 centimeter is the height. So I have drawn a parallel line at a height of 3 centimeter from AB. Now what you have to do? The other side is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter is taken in the compass. Keep your compass at the point A. Draw an arc for 6 centimeter. So when you draw an arc, see the arc cut the parallel line at two different points. So you can draw two triangles. See how I am going to draw. First of all, join A to this point. Name it as C. This measure is going to be 6 centimeter. Join it to B. So you got one triangle. Now from A you join this point D, because AD is also 6 centimeter. Now let me join A to D and let us join B to D, because BD is our base. So I am joining it. So from this you can clearly understand, with base 8 and one side 6 centimeter, you can draw two different non-congruent triangles. Similarly, what you have to do, take base as 6, find the height, you will be able to draw two more triangles. Second case, I took base as 6 centimeter. So half into 6 into h is equal to 12. 2 cancels with 6. 3h is equal to 12. Therefore h is equal to 4 centimeter. So our base is going to be 6 centimeter. I have drawn the figure here. I have drawn PQ, which is 6 centimeter. Draw the perpendicular, which is height, 4 centimeter. Now I have drawn a line parallel to PQ. Now what you have to do, in your compass, take 8 centimeter and draw arc. So when I keep my compass at P, here again you can understand, if you extend the arc cuts this parallel line at two different points. So if you join, let me name this point as R, join P to R. So you got one triangle. So you got triangle P, one triangle is PQR, for which base is 6 centimeter and PR is equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, now join P to this point. Let us name it as S. Join P to S and join S to Q. S to Q. So here again, what did you understand? Sides are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So how many triangles you can draw now? You can draw two more triangles. So what is the answer to our question? How many different non-congruent triangles can be drawn? Answer is, we can draw 4 such triangles. Is the idea clear? We can draw 4 such triangles using the sides 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter and area 12 square centimeter. Now come to the second question. What if the area is to be 24 square centimeter? So what you have to do? Let us take half BH is equal to 24 square centimeter. Now let us take in the same way, half into 8 into h is equal to 24. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. So you got 4h is equal to 24. H is equal to 24 by 4 is equal to 6 centimeter. You got height is equal to 6 centimeter. From this, what did you understand? If the base is 8, then the height will be always equal to 6, because area is to be equal to 24. So using this measure, 8 and 6, you will be able to draw just one triangle. I will draw it. I have drawn the two figures here. If base is 8, height will be equal to 6. Okay, you get a right angled triangle. Similarly, if you are going to take 6 as the base, what is going to be the height? It is going to be 8 centimeter. Okay, only then you will get 24 square centimeter. So, using these measures with area 24, you can draw only one triangle because these two triangles are equal triangles. Is it clear? These two triangles with sides 6 and 8 and angle 90 degree. Here 8 and 6 and angle 90 degree. These two triangles are equal triangles. Is the idea clear to you, children? Here in this problem, I have explained you how to draw, but you have to draw in your notebook, only then you will understand the idea clearly. So in the first case, 8 and 6 area 12, you will be able to draw 4 different non-congruent triangles. Whereas in the second case with area 24, you will be able to draw just one right angled triangle. I am sure it is clear to you. In the next class, we talk about quadrilaterals and triangles. Thank you.